Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to style Firefly wig from Honkai Star Rail. Actually, I got this wig for a really cheap price, which means it's kinda meh. But I'm gonna change it into a beautiful wig. As usual, let's start by crimping the whole wig at around 160 Celsius. Do it like this so the result looks natural, not too puffy and without any harsh crimp marks. By the way, the crimping iron I'm using is from the brand called Sonar. After crimping, section the wig to make it easier to style the wavy parts. Take a few sections, then straighten them at 160 Celsius about 7 times. Right after that, curl the section like this and clip it in place. Once it's cooled down, spray some hairspray. I'm using Siglanger hairspray. And there you go! It becomes wavy. Just keep repeating the same steps until you are done with the whole wig. Now I'm tying this part of the wig just like in the reference picture. Next, section the bangs and start styling them layer by layer, following the reference picture. First, trim it. Don't forget to cut in a zigzag way for a natural result. Then shape it using a flat iron. For the temperature is the same as before at 160 Celsius. This process does take a while, but trust me, the result will look much more detailed and beautiful. I'm spraying some hairspray so it stays in place longer. Before I move on to styling the last layer, I put the headband on first. Then I secure it with bobby pins. Finally, it's done! A wig that originally cost only $10 turned out this beautiful. I hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to make some tutorials. See you!